Hi people, this is Antti from Flova. Here's the elevator pitch for my Scan-Agile 2019 workshop proposal titled Product Ownership Visibility of Development for Stakeholders 101. So it's for product owners, and 101 means it's beginner level, and we cover roadmaps, mid-level planning, and aligning that with team level prioritization and scoping. And what is it about? Well, a common pitfall of agile software development is the over-reliance on plans to keep stakeholders content, meaning that to foster trust towards stakeholders, many POs often end up creating detailed plans and roadmaps. And at the same time, they tie their hands, as well as the hands of their teams, by committing in these plans to prioritization decisions, technical solution decisions, and scope decisions before they have enough information to choose the best options. So, in my workshop, I will introduce my most simple thing that will help in this case. First, using time boxing, focusing on impact and goals instead of solutions to provide a simple way to visualize midterm plans and overall development progress for the stakeholders in order to discuss focus, prioritization, and so on with them. And second, how to align this work with the team by planning and delivering frequent releases together with them. The practices I introduce in this workshop are based on my experience coaching teams and product owners, and all of the practices are framework and buzzword agnostic and work with multiple ways of working that the team and the organization has. We will work on an example case together in practice. I have a feeling it might be a lot of fun.